to vlog for you guys today. I woke up this morning, made my bed, did a little bit of a tidy up, and then I had to do my nails. I just showed you guys like briefly what I did, but basically I have a shoot today and my nails were like white and this one broke off, so I had to kind of shorten them all, and I just did like a very natural like nude gel. I have a video all on how I do my nails at home. I will link it down below, so I didn't show you guys too much. And yeah, I just did like very light makeup, just a little bit of concealer. I woke up with these two bad boys. I don't know why. I've never ever gotten pimples or like a breakout like anywhere here. It's always been like around my mouth and my chin. Anyway, I'm not gonna stress too much about it. I'm sure it'll like calm down once I like have a full face of makeup on. So I just did like a little bit of makeup because I tried to like fiddle with it because it looked like ready to pop, but it just looked like one of those little pimples that's not really a pimple, it's just a bump. So yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine once the makeup artist like fixes my makeup and like does my hair all glam. I wanted to take an Uber there because I have so many mails to get through, so I'm gonna quickly request a driver and then head to the shoot. So I'm about to head out the door, but I just wanted to quickly show you guys these shoes before I pack them. How gorgeous are these shoes? So they are by Steve Madden, and Steve Madden is the only like brand that I know of besides Europa Art that sells size 2.5. So my feet are a 3. My feet are really small, but you'll see like my toe is like here. So a 2.5 is like exactly my size. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly pack these and then we can leave. Hello. Yes.
Yes. Oh, okay. Are you fine with that?
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth.
I ended up at the wrong place and had to rebook another ride, so now I'm on my way to a different location. Should be there in the next like 10 to 15 minutes, and I left like 30 minutes earlier today, so I shouldn't be late, so that's good.
I can take what I need to get by, doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again?
We just finished with makeup and we had something to eat, and I'm just waiting for Sadiq to do my hair.
Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all.
Takes two full adults to handle, you know. Got it?
On the side. I told you, dear, I've got to take on the crown.
Hold where? Arm hold?
Yeah. Hold it, touch it.
Oh, babu, no, can't have a gum full.
Thank you.
Snatched AF.
Sorry.
I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
So I just finished at the shoot and Livy is here waiting for me. Let me just put my bag in here. Hello.
If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew, my will is strong with a place to lean.
So we are home and I am doing some work on my computer, and Braden is gonna prepare dinner for us. Yeah, I didn't get much chance to actually work at the shoot, and I didn't really get a chance to work before that because I had to do my nails, all of that. But yeah, I have time now, so I'm gonna see how much I can get done until Brain fixes us dinner.
In a moment I hung desperately, the other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, we'll be together, take me back where I belong.
My skin is acting up so badly. I don't know, I haven't changed anything to my skincare like drastically. But I opened this tonight. It's the Sorbet Specialist Care Cleansing Balm. It's just like it's almost like a coconut oil, I would say. And then I'm gonna give, it's not closing properly. I'm gonna give these products a try too. They sent this to me in the mail. There's a rapid spot rescue and a barrier cream. Oh. I don't know, I never get spots. I don't know what is up this time around. And then I'm going to use the, so it reinforces and like it rebuilds the surface, so I guess it's good since I have like, you know, fiddled with it. I guess this is good. Okay, so you can actually use this as a primer. That is interesting. Okay, I'm not going to do anything else like too drastically to my skin. I'm just going to use this Avene sensitive soap, I guess. I don't know, I just like the feeling. I started using an Avene face soap, so it's just like a bar of soap, and I don't know if that might have caused it or if bacteria got onto it. I don't know, but I'm gonna stop using it straight away and I'm gonna go straight in with my Retin-A. So I'm not gonna know if it's the Retin-A or this sorbet cream that's working, but I just want this to clear up. Oh, sorry that I haven't said too much in this vlog. It's been such a busy day, and yeah, it's just been go go go. I'm in bed now. Brain is watching The Good Doctor. It's not my favorite show, but I'm gonna fall asleep to it now. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and join me for the next one. I feel so insecure about these little spots, but I guess it's part of life. And yeah, see you guys next time.